Engineering internships pays really well, but you need experience. You need experience with this program. It's friendly. You can use it easily. It's easy to learn. And when you're going out there to look for internships, and they ask you what skills you have. Having this skill is really good on your resume.
It will be good for students to get into this program because they get a real life experience about industry. They get a real life experience about how it is to work by yourself without the help of anybody else, and you just depend on yourself.
There was one instance a student left here when they started using the new program at the college he went to. He actually got paid to teach the other students how to do it because he knew how to use it better than the instructor. You
do get a certification after 2 years of the class.
It's a great experience. You can get a lot of internships, a lot of mentorship opportunities, and then you will be set for college or to get into college. So it's a good program.